This is the Maths Foundation Tier, Unit 1, so non-calculator, June 2017. The grade boundaries are on above here, so if you calculate how many marks you have in Unit 1 and together with your marks for Unit 2, if you had 16 to 32, it would be a grade G. Anything less than 16 is a grade U, which is a fail. And so on. You need 67 marks over the two papers to get a D. Part A. Write the number 50,004 in figures. So if we look at our columns, we've got our hundreds, tens and units here. So 50,004. We then have our thousands column. We have our hundred thousandths. Sorry, our 10,000ths and our 100,000ths. So we don't have any 100,000ths. We've got 50,000. So we've got 5 10,000s. And we have no thousands. We have no hundreds, no tens, and we have 4 units. So 50,004. You'll have the mark correct with or without the comma, but if you do put the comma, you need to make sure it's in the correct place. So count back 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So a comma would be here, and that would be our millions. So 1 mark for 50004. Part B. Calculate £7.20 divided by 9. Give your answer in pence. This is a 2-mark question. So first we need to do bus stop method. £7.20 goes in the bus stop, 9 goes outside. So we have a decimal in the question, so there needs to be a decimal in the answer as well. Nice straight line. How many 9s go into 7? None. Now I've got to carry that 7 over. How many 9s go into 72? Well, the 9 times table is easy. You just put your hands out in front of you and put your fingers down. So 2 times 9 would be, here's my tens, here's my units. 2 times 9 would be 110, 8 units, 18. 3 times 9, there's 2 fingers before this one, so that's 20, and 7 after. So 3 times 9 is 27. 4, because I put my 4th finger down, so that'd be 3 fingers before that finger, so that's 30, 6 after. So I need 7 fingers before the one I put down and 2 after. So I've put my 8th finger down, so 9 times 8 is 72. How many 9s go into 0? None. So that answer there is actually in pounds and pence. I've got £0 and 80 pence, but it says to give my answer in pence. So my final answer is going to be 80 pence. So the 1 mark comes for some sort of working. £7.20 divided by 9. Final answer of 80p. Meyer thought of 2 whole numbers, part C. When she multiplied them together, the answer was 20. When she added them together, the answer was 9. What are the 2 numbers that Meyer thought of? So we multiplied 2 to get 20, added 2 to get 9. So which 2 numbers times together to make 20? Well, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 3 doesn't go into 20, 4 does, 4 times 5, already done 5, 6, no, 7, no, 8, no, 9, no, 10, yes, already got it. And once we're over halfway, we should be done. So these are the numbers that times together to make 20. But which ones of these add together to make 9? 1 add 20? Nope, that doesn't work. 2 add 10? Nope. 4 add 5. So 4 and 5 are the only ones, or 5 and 4, are the only ones that work here. So the examiner will give you at least 2, it will give you 1 mark if you have at least 2 numbers that add together to make 9, or at least 2 that add together, that multiply together to make 20. So you get 2 marks straight away if you have 4 and 5. If you don't, they'll give you 1 mark for 2 of these, or 1 mark for 2 numbers that add together to make 9.